To create a Kucoin account in 2025, follow these steps. First, go to the Kucoin website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email or mobile number. Enter your email address or mobile number and create a strong password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the verification code to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and country of residence. Fill in the required information and click on the Submit button. Once you have submitted your information, you will be taken to the Kucoin dashboard. Here you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other account details. To enable two-factor authentication, go to the Account Settings and click on the Security tab. Scan the QR code using a two-factor authentication app such as Google Authenticator. To start trading on Kucoin, you need to deposit funds into your account. Click on the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Copy the deposit address and use it to transfer funds from your external wallet or exchange. Once the funds are deposited, you can start trading on Kucoin. It is essential to understand the risks involved in trading cryptocurrencies and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can create a Kucoin account and start trading cryptocurrencies safely and securely.